Hey guys, welcome. You are watching Technology Welfare. Let's learn and work with practical in this video tutorial how to fix or resolve iTunes errors in any operating system, either it is Windows 10, Windows 7 or 8.1 or 11s. Of course, just in a one clicks you will be able to fix or resolve or repair any iTunes if it is not a functional without, of course, losing any restored backup data. So how do you do that? See guys, I will open a 3U tool here and of course I will try to connect a data cable. Now it's saying that install driver, install iTunes. So we don't know what we have to do, and this one is also not connecting. So we have two options. One is a 3U tool and second we have also here Wuteki, especially this. So now see here, it has started to load. It's a chargeable guys, and of course the 3U tool is a totally free, and of course might be it's also trial free. So now see here, it's saying that yes, I will go for fix. So now see here, we have a Apple mobile device support that is also not functional. So there are so many red dot that we need to repair. So I will click here to fix it. So now see, it will start to download. So in this way, especially by using this tool, but I'm not going to fix it with the help of this tool. I will go with especially this one. I will click on here, toolbox to utility guys, and here I will try to repair and install. So firstly I will go for here, see, uninstall more version of iTunes. Just I will firstly try to install it, this ones. So it will start to download file, and after downloading scarcely, especially it will take especially 5 to 10 minutes guys. So I will have to wait here for downloading, then we will try to fix it. So it will automatically guess that what's the latest version iTunes that we need to download or needed to download. Of course it will automatically actually fix it, so or select it. So let's see. Now see, it has started to download. Now I will go for next, and of course now let's see. So guys, it's a totally free, and of course the first one that was also free trial version, so of course you can. So now see, it's given a link that this installed. Now it's notified that your device has been inserted. So let's see what's going to happen. Just we need to wait here until it's not going to highlight it. Yes, actually we need to click on here to finish. Now of course we will go for OK. So as we see here, one device has been connected properly. Now we will once again click on here, and this iTunes is indicating, so it means now finally it's connected. No problem at all, guys. If it is any error is coming, then of course once again you need to click on a, just to see, you need to click on a toolbox to utility to just specially driver repair. So now see, it's all highlighted here. Of course now you can here click on a repair option, so all the driver will be repaired if it is not functional. So this is all about in this video tutorial, guys. Thank you very much indeed. Have a great time, guys.